Good afternoon. Today we will study about the last chapter of theme 2 of class 12th history, that is Kings and Chronicles. And the first topic of this chapter is the Mughals and their empire. The Mughals, for this dynasty, Mughal dynasty was established by Babur in 1526 by winning the battle Panipat, first battle of Panipat, in which he defeated last Lodi king, that is Ibrahim Lodi. Okay, Ibrahim Lodi in first battle of Panipat. That is a very significant battle. In that battle, 1526, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and founded the Mughal dynasty. However, the Mughal, for this dynasty, the word Mughals has been used by the European historians. The Mughals, that is the family of Babur, they never called them Mughals. Babur called themselves as Timurid. What? Timurid. Timurid, that is, means the descendants of Tamerlane. Descendants of Timur. He was a Turkish conqueror. Babur himself used to speak Turkish language. Okay, Turkish language. However, the word Mughal has been associated with them by the European because of the association of Babur with great Mongol conqueror Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan. However, it is interesting to note here that Babur himself did not pay any respect to Mongols, although from his mother's side he was associated with Genghis Khan. In other book he is also known as Chengiz Khan. There was a film also on this character. Babur considered this Chengiz Khan as a barbaric person. Okay, anyway, the Mughal dynasty in India was established by Babur, and the first 5 great rulers of Mughal dynasty were thus. The first ruler was Babur. The second ruler was Humayun. He was son of Babur. Babur in 1526 to 30, for 4 years he lived in India, and after that he died. Okay, after Babur, Humayun became the ruler of India from 1530 to 40. For 10 years he ruled. In 1440, he was expelled from India by Sher Shah Sur, and he returned back in 1555 and then ruled for 1 year. That is, in 1556 he died. He was succeeded by his son Akbar, who proved to be the greatest king of Mughal dynasty. Akbar ruled from 1556 to 1605. Okay, and after Akbar he was succeeded by Jahangir. Okay, and Jahangir was succeeded by Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan, and the last great Mughal king was Aurangzeb. Okay, and in 1707 Aurangzeb died, and after that the decline of Mughal dynasty started. Okay, from 1707 up to 1857, the rule of Mughals kept on declining, And after the rise of the British power, after the revolt of 1857, Mughal dynasty was ended in India by the British. Okay, in some of the next videos, we will read about in detail about all these monarchs. Thank you, please.